everyone. Welcome to GateMate Learning Private Limited. Here we are learning artificial intelligence. Why we are learning? We are learning to know the trend that is artificial intelligence. We are learning to walk in a best way so that we can get the best output in a minimal time. Ladies and gentlemen, continuing our series, now it's time to learn what are the advanced prompt engineering techniques. So this is beyond the basics. Now we will having the knowledge about the prompt engineering techniques, that but this will be advanced. So what are these? So the first and the most important thing is that role assignment. Whenever you are trying to take task from artificial intelligence, then tell artificial intelligence to adopt a specific personal or expertise, which is very much important. Once it'll have a persona, then the level of expertise it will have, it can do the great task from that. It can give the more powerful results. And another thing is that the chain of thought. This is the second point. So try to know that what are the thoughts, what are the step by step reasoning to improve the accuracy. So please request a step by step reasoning to improve accuracy and understand the logic. Whenever I'll go for the next point, then it will be iterative refinement. Build on previous responses by asking AI to expand, correct, or reframe its answers. Once you get the answer or the output, try to tell them, try to communicate with them that what we want more and more. Try to give them a path where they can do the best task. Give them the specific area where we want more concise result. Now we will move forward. And the fourth technique will be constraint application. So try to add some specific limitations to guide AI towards practical, feasible solution. Whenever you are doing something, if you have to get it from AI, then try to tell them the limitations. What are the specific areas where the artificial intelligence has to focus? This is very much important in this current era. Ladies and gentlemen, when you will know about the chaining prompts, that is building complex AI workflow, then you will know that gather, analyze, ideate, and refine. These are the procedures. These are the important parameters. These are the important aspect on which we can get the best output. Why chain prompt? You will be asking it. So, for breaking complex task into manageable steps, each prompt build on previous outputs, creating sophisticated results impossible with single request. Ladies and gentlemen, try to understand it. We need some manageable steps. Complex tasks can be tough. So we have to understand the practicality of it. Thereafter, we will understand the practical applications. What are the practical applications? These are the research papers, gather, analyze, summarize, format, content creation, that is brainstorm, outline, write, edit, and problem solving, which is identify issues, explore causes, suggest solutions. So, at last, we can say that chaining transforms AI from a simple question answer tool into a powerful multi step assistant. capable of handling intricate projects with consistent quality. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the things that we had to discuss. Now we will discuss more things in detail in next video.